wicked ways that she don't understand. Ain't no woman gonna change the way I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink.
Sounds great, guys. Having so much fun with the Reeves brothers tonight.
We love having you there.
Do something from your new album.
All right. Well, the 16 shots from the bottom of the bottle to the top. 16 shots from the bottom of the bottle to the top. You'll be planting